Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Logitech G304 and G305 mouse wheel problem. So basically what you'll need to do is first of all turn off your mouse and take the dongle out of your device. So in my case right now it's in the mouse, but I will place nearby so I'll be able to plug into device and check it if it's working. So to fix your scroll wheel, what you'll need to do is just take mouse like that, click. As you can see, if you click the mouse, you hear a click, and basically when you click, just ride it like that, okay? And you'll need to do a little bit fast, and you'll see that mouse scroll wheel should be fixed right now and should work properly. So if this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one. Peace.